Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and mdcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is CSF circulates and all of the following parts except A. Lateral ventricles, B. Corpus callosum, C. Dorsal ventricles, and D. Central canal. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is spinal cord terminates at the level of A. Sacrum, B. Coccyx, C. One lumbar vertebrae, and D. Second lumbar vertebra. So the correct option is B. Sorry, D. Second lumbar vertebra. The next MCQ is gray matter is composed of A. Schwann cell, B. Neuron fibers, C. Cell bodies of neuron, and D. Nissl granules. So the correct option is C. Cell bodies of neuron. The next MCQ is the primary function of spinal cord is to A. Produce CSF, B. Produce hormone, C. Communicate two hemispheres, and D. Communicate brain with rest of body. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is preparing the body for the fight or flight response is the role of A. Sympathetic nervous system, B. Autonomic nervous system, C. Parasympathetic nervous system, and D. Somatic nervous system. So the correct option is A. Sympathetic nervous system. The next MCQ is why this nerve arises from dash region? A. Cervical, B. Lumbar, C. Thoracic, and D. Pelvic. So the correct option is D. Pelvic. The next MCQ is bundle of axons of dendrites bounded by connective tissue inside C and S as A. Nerves, B. Tracts, C. Ganglia, and D. Nuclei. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is gray matter of spinal cord contains A. Myelinated cell bodies, B. Myelinated cell processes only, C. Cell bodies and unmyelinated cell processes, and D. Cell bodies and myelinated cell processes. So the correct option is C. Cell bodies and unmyelinated cell processes. The next MCQ is the incorrect statement regarding hormone is A. Endocrine secretion, B. Initiate biochemical reaction, C. Organic in nature, and D. Transported by blood. So the correct option is B. Initiate biochemical reaction. The next MCQ is cholesterol serves as a precursor of A. Protein hormones, B. Steroid hormones, C. Adenine hormones, and D. Glucocorticoid hormones. So the correct option is B. Steroid hormones. The next MCQ is pick the system which transports hormone in the body. A. Endocrine system. B. Nervous system. C. Circulatory system. And D. Muscular system. So the correct option is C. Circulatory system. The next MCQ is chemically hormones are A. Carbohydrates. B. Protein. C. Steroids. And D. Both B and C. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is hypothalamus produce all of the following except A. CRF, B, CRF, C, ADH, and D, ACTH. So the correct option is D, ACTH. The next MCQ is which are the following neurotransmitter function both as neurotransmitters and hormones decreasing our perception of pain. A. Epinephrine, C. Dopamine, C. Serotonin, and D. Endorphins. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is pituitary gland is attached to hypothalamus by A. Hypophysis, B. Axon, C. Corpus callosum, and D. Infundibulum. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is what result is production of large quantities of urine and great stress. A. Lack of aldosterone, B. Lack of oxytocin, C. Lack of ADH, and D. Oversecretion of oxytocin. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following functions directly affects neurosecretory hormone? A. Oxytocin to ADH, B. ACTH and LH, C. ICSH, and and D, CSH and CH. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is the pituitary gland is also called as adeno adeno hypophysis B, hypophysis B, neurophysis and D, epiphysis cerebri. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is master gland is used for A, anterior pituitary B, median pituitary posterior pituitary B, median pituitary. The next MCQ, sorry, A is the correct option, anterior pituitary. Next MCQ is high level of CSH can be seen on all except A, straight B, low thyroid growth and D, level. So the correct option is low TRC level. The next MCQ is all of the following are except A, CRF, B, CRF, C, PIF, and D, SRF. The correct option is C, PIF. The next MCQ is hyperfunctioning of interior all hyperthyroidism, B, hyper, hypercortical and D, insipidus. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is diabetes associated with insulin glucose and D, vasopressin. So the correct option is the next MCQ is not a topic of eight years. The correct option is D. Thanks for joining me. I hope this help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you, Nala.